Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to our channel. I'm thrilled to have you here as we delve into a realm of affirmations designed to shape your reality, nurture soulful connections, and ignite a thriving social life. In this space, we're harnessing the extraordinary power of affirmations and the impact they have on our subconscious mind. Today, we embark on a journey to manifest the perfect group of friends, cultivate meaningful bonds, and radiate the confidence to embrace our most authentic selves. As we explore, I'll share insights on how to integrate these affirmations into your daily routine, allowing you to reprogram your subconscious mind for a life brimming with love, connection, and positive change. If you're ready to transform your life, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join our loving community. To begin, let's find a quiet place where you can either lie or sit down. You could also repeat these affirmations on your way to work or on your break. To start, we're going to take in 3 deep breaths, starting with an inhale. Hold. And an exhale. Two more. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Last one. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Now repeat these affirmations either out loud or silently in your mind. Allow their words to invoke a positive emotion within you, amplifying its power and intention. I attract my soul tribe effortlessly, drawing like-minded and kind-hearted friends into my life. My soul tribe embraces and supports me as I am, creating a space of authenticity and love. I am a magnet for genuine and loving friends who resonate with my soul's essence. My soul tribe is a reflection of my highest self, inspiring growth and transformation. As I align with my true self, my soul tribe naturally gravitates toward me. I attract friends who appreciate and respect me for who I am. My friendships are built on trust, understanding, and unconditional love. I am surrounded by friends who uplift and encourage me on my journey. I deserve friends who genuinely care for my well-being and happiness. My friends are a source of joy, support, and lasting connection. My social life is rich and fulfilling, filled with exciting experiences and meaningful connections. I attract invitations to social events and gatherings that align with my interests. I am socially confident, easily engaging in conversations and forging new connections. Every interaction I have contributes positively to my social life and well-being. I radiate positive energy that attracts fun and vibrant social experiences. I am blessed with best friends who cherish and understand me deeply. My best friends are my pillars of strength and unwavering support. I am open to forming long-life friendships that stand the test of time. The bonds I share with my best friends are unbreakable and full of love. I am grateful for the treasure of memories and moments I share with my closest friends. I am naturally skilled at creating connections and fostering rapport. My social intelligence grows stronger with each interaction, allowing me to understand and relate to others effectively. I embrace my uniqueness and confidently express myself in social settings. I attract people who appreciate and resonate with my social intelligence. My social skills are finely tuned, allowing me to navigate any social situation with ease. I am popular among friends and acquaintances because of my authenticity and kindness. My positive energy and charisma make me naturally appealing to others. I am respected and admired for the way I treat others and carry myself. Being popular means I have a positive impact on the lives of those around me. My popularity is a result of my genuine connections and positive influence. I attract exciting and enjoyable social experiences that bring me happiness. Every social event I attend is an opportunity for growth, connection, and joy. I am open to forming new connections that lead to unforgettable adventures. My social experiences are a perfect balance of fun, learning, and meaningful moments. I am grateful for the variety of social experiences that add color to my life. I invest time and effort in nurturing my friendships and connections. Every interaction I have adds value to my relationships and strengthens our bonds. I am committed to fostering healthy and thriving connections with those around me. I am open to forming friendships with people from all walks of life. I embrace the beauty of diversity in my social circle, learning from other perspectives. My friends come from various backgrounds, enriching my life with their unique stories. I am a connector, bridging gaps and fostering unity among my diverse group of friends. I deserve friends who see and appreciate my worth, treating me with love and respect. My friendships reflect my self-worth, attracting people who value and uplift me. I am a source of positivity and inspiration in the lives of my friends. I honor and prioritize friendships that align with my values and aspirations. I am grateful for the abundant love and support that my friends bring into my life. Remember to embrace these affirmations with genuine belief and intention. Repeating them regularly can help shift your mindset and attract the kind of friendships and social experiences you desire. Your energy and intention play a powerful role in manifesting your ideal social life. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and soulful connection. You've now unlocked the keys to rewriting your reality and creating the friendships and social life you've always dreamed of. Remember, the magic lies within you, your thoughts, your intentions, and your unwavering belief in your potential. As we wrap up today's session, know that you have the power to change your life for the better. These affirmations are not just words. They are catalysts of transformation, guiding you toward a life filled with love, joy, and authentic connections. If you found today's content inspiring and transformative, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with those who are ready to embrace positive change. Together, we're igniting a movement of self-empowerment and growth. Always remember, you are deserving of meaningful connections in a vibrant social life. Keep affirming, keep believing, and keep taking steps to create the life you deserve. Until we meet again, keep shining your beautiful light.